Hey folks, this is Sean at ToGA Brothers. So this is a factory to aftermarket connection. All right. This is the female end, which will go into the male end of my car that's already wired. Okay. I've cut the back so you can see all these colors and all these wires. All these wires indicate something. These wires, for example, are going to go to speaker wires. You got white, solid, white with black stripe, solid green, black stripe, solid purple, black stripe, solid gray, black stripe. These are all your speaker wires, left, right, rear, front, okay? This one is your ground. This one is your power. This one is your positive, okay? And then the rest of these are gonna go for your illumination, your radio, your antenna, all that stuff, okay? That's what this part does. Pretty cool, right? Sean the ToGA Brother. I'm out.